In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can automatically enable the speaker on an iPhone during calls. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, but obviously it can be very convenient to have your calls start on speaker automatically instead of switching it on every single time. To actually set this up, begin by opening up your settings app and scroll down and you're going to see an accessibility option. Open up the accessibility option, and within accessibility, look for the option called touch. Click on the touch option, and when you are in the touch menu, scroll down and you're going to see an option that does say call audio routing. It is going to be set to automatic by default. Go ahead and click on it. And what automatic means is that your iPhone's going to try and decide whether to use the earpiece, speaker, or Bluetooth depending on what's connected. If you want it to always start on speaker, go ahead and select speaker. From now on though, anytime you do answer or make a call, your iPhone is going to route this audio straight to the speaker without you having to press anything. If you ever do want to switch it back, just repeat these steps and set it to automatic or Bluetooth headset if you prefer that. Yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. Your iPhone's now going to default to speaker on calls. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.